Hello, Bailiwickers! I am Chef Joey Prats. The Yuletide season is here once again, and with it comes the endless Christmas parties, family reunions, the heavenly sound of Christmas carols being sung in every street corner, delicious food, Christmas presents, and of course, fruitcake. It's easy to prepare, unbelievably scrumptious, and makes the perfect Christmas present for your loved ones. Whether you're a seasoned baker or someone who's just starting out with the craft, this class is for you. So join us in this very special class called Opulence Unwrapped, the Holiday Cake Experience.